All right, check it out, everybody. I am going to give you a look at my Chevy slash GMC, because one of them is a GMC collection, if you want to call it that. I call it a fleet, but obviously, all right, let's start with this one, because this one was my first square body Chevy that I bought. Now, this is the Suburban. It's a 1990 Suburban. It's base 1500. It's got the 350. I need to swap and put, well, it's leaking some power steering fluid there. It's got a hydro assist. I need to swap and put the Dana 60 on. But here's my dilemma. So I've got this crossover steering here, right? Now it comes over here, but it mounts to that. So let me take you in here. But anyways, it's got this on the frame and it mounts to this. And then it goes back over here to the steering. And that's a custom little made steering, I believe. Looks custom to me. Mounted up there, all custom. The second thing I have a dilemma with on this new axle, and I'm not a fabricator, but I've got this steering bar. It's not a steering bar. I think this is kind of their little sway bar thing. And it comes over here and it mounts obviously to the frame as well. So that mounts up there. Big old beefy thing. Mounts right here. So, oh, look at that. I'm getting some little bit of wear. It's touching. Anyways, so that's just kind of a dilemma I've been trying to figure out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But that one's that. The interior, it's really nice on that one. I've got another video I can link up below. But let's check this bad boy out here. Now, let's see. Alright, come on. So, this here is the newest one I just bought. It's the 75 two-wheel drive, but I recently, last night, I was out driving it around. I'm leaking power steering fluid right in the center of the pulley. So basically it was leaking out the middle of the pulley there and dripping down and out. So somewhere on this power steering pump, I don't know if you can rebuild them or what, but we're gonna look at rebuilding that or just buying a new power steering pump. I gotta price it out and see what we're looking at. But it's got a new radiator. They said water pump. I don't know if they just painted that or how long ago they did that water pump. It's got a new alternator. I replaced the filter that goes in the carburetor, and that is that. So nothing fancy. It's nothing special, except for it is special. It's an old grandpa's truck. The family was really sad to get rid of it, but they had no use for it. So that's where I came along. I came and bought it from them. Anyways, I picked this one up here for $1,000. That was a pretty good deal. It runs. I just got to figure out this power steering pump. Now, I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to take you to the back and show you the crew cab, but there's nothing fancy to the interior. I mean, it's got a dash. The seat's the worst part over here. It's got, let's see, I love these old door locks here. They're just so simple. But it's got issues with this. I need to figure out this. It's not quite locking. So when people throw, well, that's probably why. It doesn't even look like it's got a good connection there. Anyways, that keeps popping open, and I think that's why. It's not. Oh, maybe it's. Oh, there we go. Okay, I need to adjust this. I think that's the problem. It's not closing far enough. So I need to adjust that little tab to stick out a little further. In fact, it almost looks like it's on backwards. Yeah, it's not even engaging far enough. So I just need to move that out a little bit. Quick fix, but it is a manual. That is actually one of the selling points of why I bought this, and this cool little cowboy hat holder. But the manual transmission, that's what sold me on this truck. All right, so it is raining. This is how I make my money right there, in case y'all are wondering. That's what buys all this stuff. But so we got the crew cab right here. Now this crew cab is, it's got this little hood crap, and it's got this bad door. If I can find me a good door, well, I've got good doors. I don't know if I want to take one off the other truck though, but I need another door. But look at this, man. I noticed that my transmission is leaking. So I need to figure out why my transmission is leaking. Maybe it's just a seal. I don't know. I'm also missing the 4-wheel drive. It's in the bed of the truck. Don't worry. But this is the 74 crew cab that I traded my Yamaha TW 200 for. Now, I bought that for, I don't know, 2,800 bucks. So, you know, had some good fun with it for about a year. But the interior on this isn't the best. Obviously, we got some, well, this ain't even that bad. The foam's still good. It's just this cover. So I'm gonna buy a cover for this, buy a cover for that, because that seat's still pretty good. Rewrap this headliner here. And then the only other issue is in the floor over there. I gotta replace that. So actually, honestly, in the other one I just showed you, the 75, that one's a lot worse. I mean, all this is gone in the driver's side on that other one, and this is pretty bad. I mean, it's bubbling. Nothing we can't cut out and fix. That's the key. I believe we can fix it. No big deal. Dash stuff, all this stuff we can buy aftermarket parts for. The question is how much we're gonna spend. But here's the deal. This crew cab right here, this one is gonna be, this one we're gonna fix up. So all this stuff, I believe, I'm gonna try to take out the seats, I'm gonna recarpet it, we're gonna try to get the floor fixed on this, because this one here, this one's gonna be the show truck. I want to lift it. I want to put 42-inch wheels and tires. Maybe sitting on 22s, because I know how much y'all don't like 22s. But we're going to, yes, this one. Now, look at Max. Now, this one here I bought because it was pretty clean body wise. Now this is the GMC. There's a few flaws on it body wise. You know, there's a little dent right here. This stuff can be fixed pretty easy, but I'm noticing it looks like they might have done some Bondo work right here. The bed, they kind of painted it. Looks like they just did like a little brush paint. But anyways, these are the most common spots. So it looks like there's a little patch, something right there. I mean, it's just more outside stuff. Look at the inside, it's still pretty good. So this one here looks like they might have Bondoed a little. Obviously, looks like a little more body work was kind of done here, but here's the thing, it's already mostly done. The bed, super clean. Now it's just collecting water here at my house, but the interior on this one, it's fairly clean, other than it's missing the dashboard. So I need to, yeah, find that. And this seat, oh, that's a pretty tight fit there. I think these, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think you can move these steering wheels. But that one sits, oh, that one's really close. But anyways, that's it. I mean, we're gonna try to get a dash for this. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a used one, or I don't know, something someone's selling. But the interior, the carpet looks like it's aftermarket carpet, so I don't know what the floor looks like. I guess there's only one way to find out what this floor looks like, and honestly, I don't know if I want to know. It's not actually, it's not too bad. Look at that. It's got the old factory rubber stuff down there, or I think that's factory. I don't know, dude. I don't know much about these, but I mean, obviously seat belts. Look at that. I mean, they're just old. I mean, I don't even know if they still work, but stuff like this, I think you can buy new stuff. So we're gonna be looking at this one as well. Interior on this one, well, I don't know if this one even runs. Gotta kind of slam that pretty good. So I don't even know if this one runs. I believe it does. I believe I can maybe get it running, but I obviously need to pick up a battery. And then I was gonna check the oil. I was gonna maybe pull the spark plugs, check the cylinders, just maybe drop a dab of oil down in there. I don't know when it was ran. Honestly, I haven't even pulled off the air cleaner, take a look at anything. Fuel, I don't even know. Fuel tank. So it's got the dual tanks, one on each side. So anyways, that's the trucks. I mean, I don't know what to do with them. I'm gonna hopefully try to fix them up. Here's the body on this one again. Like I said, this one's pretty cleanish, but I need to get some new tires. Obviously, just one. I mean, this one's the only one that goes flat, so maybe I can get some fix it flat. It's pretty rotted out right here though, so it won't hold air. But anyways, so that's that. The mission is to try to get this one running, because like I said, the crew cab there, we're gonna get that running. I gotta fix the radiator, but honestly, that one's gonna, this one here, I want to see if I can get this running. Dude, if I could get both two-wheel drives running with minimal work, I guess new tires on this one, that's gonna be awesome. Because the crew cab down there, like I said, we're gonna put some more work into that one. I'd love to drive that one around, but that one's gonna be the fancy one. So I appreciate all of you for your liking, commenting. I don't get that many comments actually, but I just want to thank everybody for watching, and hopefully some good stuff is going to be coming down the pipeline with the trucks. I'm going to start working on it more. I'm going to try to get up early Saturdays. If I'm not working on Saturday, I'm going to try to get up early and do something on the trucks. So whether I need to repair something, or whether I just need to get out, go get the battery, try to get it running, something. I got to do something to the trucks. And I think my dog is a little crazy, but I think I'm going to Sundays as well. Get up early Sundays and try to work on the trucks. Just something, right? Like, I gotta do something. I'm gonna try to film more. We're gonna just try to just kick some butt, and hopefully, hey, how's it going? My neighbors probably think I'm crazy. I was just filming a YouTube video. You probably think I'm crazy, but I got a camera I'm talking to. I'm not talking to myself. But anyways, so the first one and the not last one, we're gonna buy more. Don't tell my wife. Shh, keep it a secret. But anyways, smile every morning. That's it for this video. Nothing fancy. I just wanted to kind of show everybody the collection I'm starting, the fleet, and honestly, I hope I can make this YouTube channel big enough where hopefully one day we can get big enough where I can, obviously it takes money to do some of these things, and I'd like to get to a point where I'm doing okay, but also because I like to give back. Now, stay tuned, because we're working on a video right now where we're gonna be giving back. So, anyways, like and subscribe if you've got this far. You probably haven't. You've probably gone now. But I'm gonna leave you with this view off my front porch, and it's raining right now. So, but remember, smile. Be grateful. Smile every morning. Be grateful for everything that you have.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way